Hey everybody, it's Ronnie here, and so for today's video I have part 2 of my Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs. So if you haven't seen the first one, I will link it down below in the description, and it will also be in that top corner. Hopefully I'm putting it in the right area, but one of those top corners. And you can check that out along with my playlist from some past Dollar Tree DIYs. I will link the playlist down below in the description. And I have 5 more cute Dollar Tree DIYs that are pretty more like on the craftier side, so it's like stuff you can do with your kids or just fun little decor to have around the house. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing because it does help out this channel so much. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So for my first DIY, I have to show you all this cute little candy heart. So I took a couple of Dollar Tree's little wooden heart plaques and I just painted them some cute pastel colors like sweethearts. That like Valentine's candy. Then I had gone ahead and used my Cricut and some Dollar Tree vinyl to cut out some common little Valentine's quotes in a Ray Dunn font through Cricut Design Space. So on the lavender one I put XOXO, and on the pink one I put Kiss Me. I do a similar DIY in my previous DIY video. You can check that out where I do some cute little candle holders. But this would be really cute to put on a tier tray or to even use it also again as a coaster just without the beads on the bottom. And boom, they are just adorable. I think they're personally so freaking cute. Next up is this very simple and easy to make wooden love vase. So I took 4 of these hanging wooden love signs. I just took out the backing to them. It did take a good strong yank. And I liked the texture it had on the front, but I didn't like how most of the sign was not covered in that. So I decided to just instead paint everything white. So I gave all 4 of them a coat of white paint, and then I began to hot glue them all together. Something I didn't add to this vase was like a base for it because it's meant to be more of a vase holder. So you would put a vase inside of it to hold some flowers. Or for example, I just put some of my hand crocheted flowers in there. And yeah, you can definitely customize it. You know, they have different kinds of these wooden signs, so you can always take inspiration from this and change it up a little bit. But there you have it with these crochet roses that I make. It looks so cute, pretty, and a little high-end. I feel like you could totally find this at a Home Goods or something like that. Next up is more of a craft. It's this little heart Valentine's pot. So I got the pot at Dollar Tree. It's 2 for $1. And this is a pretty cute craft for kids. So you would paint your base coat of whatever color you want. I just put some pink on the top. And then I went and I took some of their stickers and I just went ahead and stuck them on wherever I wanted a heart to come out. Then I went ahead and just painted everything black. You can always mix and match the colors, and you can honestly do this with any kind of stickers. So it's a fun project to do with your kids or something like that in general. I did about 2 coats of the final paint, and then I went ahead and peeled off all the stickers to reveal these cute pink hearts. I did go back with some pink paint just to touch it up, since some of the paint did leak through. But honestly, it was really cute and easy to do. Next up, I have this really cute and easy to make ribbon heart. So I took this trio of hearts from a hanging decor from Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and removed all of the tinsel wrapped around it. Now, I'm saving this tinsel for probably next year, but you can choose to keep it or throw it out or whatever you would want. Then I took some scissors and I'm cutting off all of the little tabs that were holding the tinsel in place, since I want my ribbon to be a little more flat. Then I'm going ahead with a ribbon of my choice and a hot glue gun just to attach it all. I like working with this thinner ribbon because it's way easier to control and wrap around it, but they do have many different types of ribbon. You can get it at a local craft store, or they even have a lot at Dollar Tree. I'm just using what I have on hand at home. So with this, since it does come in a pack of 3, or well, trio, you can make up to 3 of them with just one. So this whole DIY could be like $2 for 3 hearts. So for those of you who do have your Valentine's Day Christmas trees, this would be perfect. I'm spicing it up with a red ribbon that I just quickly handed myself, like tying a shoelace, and then I'm using the ribbon as a little hanger, since as you can see on the top of every heart, there's one of those little circles, so you can have your hanger there. And yeah, like I said, these are cute for some of those holiday Christmas trees. It would make a cute little last minute gift, or even a little craft to do together with somebody. And boom, you can see how cute they are. You can definitely mix and match these. And last, I have for you guys probably a really fun and kind of kooky DIY. So for this heart wreath, I took a couple bags of just different assorted hearts that Dollar Tree has. They have those wooden heart stickers, and they had just this random like wooden heart scatter, and I went ahead and I painted them a bunch of different pastel colors like candy hearts. So I had pink, yellow, orange, blue, green, and lavender. And after a couple coats of those, I went ahead and started just randomly gluing them all together and layering them in the shape of a circle. And this is very fun, again, just to mix and match. And just, again, those cute little fun crafts that you can do with your kids or yourself, depending on how you can make this way bigger, you can make this way smaller. Dollar Tree does have different size hearts, so again, all very, very customizable. And with all of these DIYs, they don't take too much time to do, and in the end, they look pretty cute. Then just to finish it off, I added a little bit of ribbon in the back for a hanger, and I just hot glued that there. And there you go, a cute little candy heart wreath. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I do really hope you all have enjoyed it. It is a little last minute, but you can honestly do so many of these as cute last minute gifts or even crafts to do on Valentine's Day with your loved ones. You can see all of these and much more in my previous video, which I will link down below in the description. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to have fun crafting.